Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Now as you may notice, the background may look a little different. That's because I'm recording in a different place today. So, what we're going to be doing is installing ChromeOS on my old laptop that you can see right here. So now we're going to turn it on, and then we're going to boot into the boot menu. Hopefully, at least we'll boot into the boot menu. Oh, let's get rid of it. Okay. I'm going to boot off the USB. So let's see if it will boot or not. Okay, looks like we got a little bit of ChromeOS Flex now. So that's at least good. So let's see if we can switch over to the capture card, and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so I could use the capture card, but at the same time I can't, because it's just showing a blank screen of this. So we'll get started, and we're going to install ChromeOS Flex now. Okay, we are now installing. So I guess I'll get back to this when it's done installing. Okay, so installation is now complete. So that means we can now restart our computer. And hopefully be booted into ChromeOS Flex, and yeah, so we'll see what happens. Alright, so looks like now we are in ChromeOS Flex. Just booting up here now. Okay, looks like now we have to do the setup process. So I'll set this up now. Okay, so the process of setting this up, it has to update, of course. So, looks like now that's what we're waiting for, an update to finish. So I'll get back when this is done. Okay, now it's done updating, now we just have to sign in to our Google account, so give me a minute to do that. Okay, so now we'll just accept these terms, and then we'll see, sync the Chromebook, accept that, use my Google account password, I don't really care. And now, I don't really care what I'm going to use this Chromebook for. So, yep. Oh, it comes with Gemini. Fun. I want more features. It looks like I'm all set. And now in ChromeOS Flex. Wow, I have way too many pop-ups. But yeah. This is ChromeOS Flex, so we're gonna switch over to the capture card now and explore. Okay, so now we're in ChromeOS and on the capture card, so let's explore. So first off, this app was not here before, so let's look at Notebook LM. It's looking at featured notebooks, recent notebooks, just notebooks. I don't really care about notebooks. And actually, this thing has the opportunity to run Linux. So maybe we'll set that up, actually. Actually, yeah, let's set that up. So I'm going to set this up off camera. Once it's installing, I'll be back. Okay, Linux is now installing, so it's time for the time lapse of the installing. Okay, now Linux is installed. Let's install... what's a good Linux program? Yeah, let's install gparted. Apparently I didn't type it right. Sudo gparted. Now I got it right. Install gparted. I was actually going kind of... It's not going quick yet. The Wi-Fi here is a little bit faster than it is normally, so let's see. Come on, gparted, hello. Can't win yet, no. Okay, I guess we'll be back when it's done installing then. Okay, now that it's done, we should have the Linux apps folder. Yes, we do. We now, excuse me, we now officially have gparted one of the Linux applications installed on ChromeOS. The only thing is it's not opening, so I'm confused. Well, that is ChromeOS Flex. The only downside to it is that there is no Google Play. So it's a little bit sad, but whatever. Thank you for watching. Join the Discord server and watch the new podcast episode. And we'll see you in another video. Bye. Hey, click on the video in the middle. YouTube thinks you might like that video. Thanks for watching.